So here's John. He is about to experience what the implantation with really fast team. We're gonna be placing more than 1,000 grafts per hour. Okay, Steve by himself is a medical professional. He is a certified nurse anesthetist, right? In Orlando. So you experience how it's to be in the patient and getting the local anesthesia, right?
You know, I can only strive to be as good at blocking as Dr.Max is. I don't feel a thing. If they didn't tell me they were doing something up there, I would have no idea.
All right, this is a good attestation. And again, he is the one who is the anesthesiologist, okay? So if anesthesiologists tell you, I don't feel any pain, that's kind of a quality stamp for me, right?
Exactly.
All right, so you can see how the PRP is going on right there. So we're halfway done right now, and we'll make sure. So I always present with my patients. So if you start feeling any discomfort, pain, you let me know. So I always make sure my patients are pain-free and comfortable. So far, we're halfway done, right?
Exactly.
Can you confirm that?
More than halfway done. I'm so excited.
All right. Thank you.